Man, my arm looks long. So, what are the best deals in 2024 when it comes to real estate? Short answer is the brand new homes. It's because the builders are reducing the price like crazy right now. And they offer lower interest rate than you can get at traditional bank. The reason why they can do that is they can buy the rate buy down on a lot. So builders can do that, and there's a bunch of offerings. Some are expiring, but there's some price reduction, huge price reductions too. So let me show you what's going on in like Northwest Portland, the zip code 97229 zone, and we'll look at some Beaverton too. And I'm gonna share the link on the video so you can go check that out if you're looking for a home in the Portland metro. It is, let's see, I'm going to just go ahead and show you my screen so it is easier for me to explain things for you. So if you go to the link that I'm gonna post after I make this video, just go ahead and click in like the zip code or city name, Beaverton, Tiger, Tualatin, anything that you like where you're looking. So we're just going to look at the 97229 as an example. As you can see, here are like a Toll Brothers home, $30,000 price reduction. This one has $85,000 reduction, $70,000. This one $40,000, another $85,000. Toll Brothers, Taylor Morrison. Let's see, they're going to have some. They say these, starting at these prices are going to be the bottom end, but you could probably do some price negotiation because right now the builders are trying to get rid of the old inventory so they can move on to the next phase, and this is a great time to get some special pricing. It looks like Toll Brothers are having most of the sales right now. This one is $88,000 reduced, about 3,000 square feet. Let's see, there are a bunch of homes. So there are about 4 pages on the bottom here, and then 20 per listing. But each of these actually include more than one home because they're just giving you the range, right? So these plans can be also seen, and they have like a bunch of other ones. There's a floor plan. We're going to take a look at it, but let's look at some photos first. So, what I'm saying is that each of these listings, they say contact agent. I mean, you can call me too at this number, but they're gonna have probably anywhere between like 1 to probably 10 different floor plans for this price range, and different lots, different finishes, different stages of the building. But yeah, these are the photos you're going to expect. A bunch of floor plans here. Let's see if, oh wow, they actually listed the finishes too. I wanted to show you the front photo so that we can kind of see what we're dealing with here. So it says Brookings Farmhouse. So this is an example. Now don't trust this. This is computer generated photo. So don't trust anything that you see here because they make it very different. So the first thing is that you're not going to have this kind of green space next to the house. There's going to be another house right there. So that's the challenging part when it comes to brand new homes. These are 100%. The model home, the staged photos are in the model homes. They cannot realistically build a house, stage it, take photos on each homes. So when you see photos like this, just know that this is going to be the top of the line finishes because these are model homes and that they staged it in full way. And you cannot see this kind of furniture, but you can see as a sample that you could do this. And it's a good idea to save these photos so that you can finish like this if you like this kind of style. So the finishes are great. Large master, the primary, there's like a, covered patio, which is nice. I'm not a big fan of this retaining wall and everything, but if it's like private like this, I'll be okay with it. But again, the backyard, the surrounding and everything is going to be very different. So don't believe what you see on, it's not what you see is what you get, kind of like internet. This is very different. So yeah, and so these are the homes, and you can kind of see what kind of price range. You could actually see right there in let's see, Tigard, Oregon. There's one that's listed right now for $799,000, almost $800,000, $5 short. So this is called the Brookings, right? But if it comes to, let's say, 97229, the price jumps about $150,000, as you can see. So this is basically the floor plan. That's why they say it starts at. So a few things, like I said, the photos are going to be different. These are model home finishes, but the floor plans are going to be the same, right? Because it's really hard for the builders to change the floor plan. So here are the floor plans. Let's see if I can zoom in a bit here. So these are 3-level homes, which I'm not a big fan of because you have to go up and down so much. But let's look at the first floor. Here are the 2-car garage. There's a bedroom with a bath, so like a suite down here, a flex room. People make this into like gym or office, and then you have to go up the stairs. When you go up the stairs, there's going to be kitchen, great room, dining room, and then there's office, powder room, and you can see the stairs, and all the bedrooms are upstairs on the 3rd level. Bedroom 1, 2, 3, 4, bathroom, and you can see the staircase here. So these aren't the most convenient floor plan because there are 3 levels. Because if you hurt your ankle, you can get up to the living room. That's a problem, in my opinion. But assuming that you're all healthy, I mean, this is what you can get. So a few things that I wanted to point out is that there was a special deal going on. Let's see. They have like rate buy downs and things like that, but it just expired. But again, when it's expired, if they haven't sold that property, they're going to probably offer that again, even though it's not listed on the internet. One thing to note is that the new home builders, they build so many homes so fast, it's pretty much like impossible for them to, update everything online. That's the reason why they have a separate website from MLS website so that they can offer a wide range of things, and you have to kind of call them to find out. Now, if you call them to find out at the model house, you're talking to a salesperson that is hired by the builder. And that's when it might be a good idea to call your own agent and have that agent get the information and see if your agent can actually negotiate on the price, upgrades, rate buy down, any kind of addition negotiations that you can do through your agent. I always recommend that. So let's go out and, let's look at Beaverton just for a quick second and what kind of rate incentives that they're offering. So in Beaverton, some homes don't have any kind of price reduction, but here is another Taylor Morrison home, about 2,000 square foot home. It used to be at $699, but it's now at $619. Let's see, Lowledge Farm, that's like a south part of Beaverton. I wanted to show you a rate incentives. Right now, they're not showing any rate incentives here. But yeah, anyways, going back to, there's some price range like $45,000. So these are the pricings that you're not going to see that often. That's what I see right now. Oh, super blue here. Probably the camera will adjust, but so yeah, right now, one of the best way to buy a home is buying a brand new home because of the brand new home builders incentives that they're giving out and the price reduction. In a good situation, if a lot is not selling and they have to get rid of the lot by the end of the year, which I think some builders would like to, those will have really great deals. Now, when you get a better like rate buy down with fixed rate for like 30 years, you're going to get an awesome deal. So I'm going to put the link on the video. So if you wanna go check out what's really happening, and this changes pretty much like every, like probably an hour, every day. So make sure to check them out. You may need to log in to see the detailed information, but feel free to give me a call or text me to know more about what kind of incentives that you can get, what kind of things that your agent can negotiate, and I'll share with you what I know, and I can give them a call and see if there's any like special deals going on. So thanks for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.